Hey guys, today in this video I'm gonna talk about what I was working in the past few months, and I want to show you my project that I was working on. So I created this Python project and I want to make it application. So basically I create my own editor. So if I just run this to just show you what I was working. So basically this is my editor only for Python of this, guys. As you can see, this is similar to VS Code, but I'm gonna show you what I add for this and tell you if it's worth it and better than VS Code. And yeah, so for example, this is showing the file name, and this is, for example, showing a data of this, which is a function and what is using. And this is a Python preview. I'm gonna talk about right now very fast. So for example, I'm gonna open other folder of this, and this is absolutely basic, and this is all built with Python. So I'm gonna show it. For example, this is my game that I was working. Just example. So for example, if I just open this, you can see just gonna open up this, and you can see this is a whole of this. It's the same as VS Code. It's the same as the VS Code, as you can see it. So you can see this here, simple manage. You can see it's giving me a name of this Python, and it's gonna give me a detail of this class, which is using a div of these functions. You can see it inside of this class player, class laser, class enemies, and you get the idea of these functions. But let's say, for example, if I just open this, which is animation is used for this space war, okay? And you can see this is a class name of this animation, which is have the update and init and the load animation frames, as you can see it, okay? And it's used in a space war. It's gonna give you a detail where is a line is used. You can see in a line 9 from animation, import animation, or for example the menu of this, you're gonna see this full detail where is used and where it's gonna help you how to build and it's gonna help you to find out where it's using and detail most of the detail of this. But now let me just talk about this code editor that I just created right here. So if I just run it right now, this space war, that this game that I just built it right now, I'm just gonna show it right now very fast. So it's running. This is my game. That just in case if I just didn't make this editor, just in case if I didn't make any money from this editor, I'm just gonna make this game and sell it. So this is a space game that I just created. You can see it's gonna show me a log right here, and I'm just gonna play this game. Okay, there you go. Now let's talk about this code editor. So I'm gonna show it very fast. For example, if I just make a mistake right here, so let's just make an error or something to just show you what I just created right here, which is really simple. For example, if I just make right here a mistake, you can see if I just run it, it's gonna tell me where is error in this editor, and it's just gonna tell me that this is here, which is doesn't involve the syntax, which is I'm gonna just make it right here. And if I just gonna make it right, you can see it's gonna fix it. So every error, it's gonna tell you where is an error. It's just like a help you to find the error very fast, instead of reading a console where is an error of this, and it's just gonna show it in this editor. It just helpful. And yeah, so this is a basic of this editor that I just created. Now I didn't finish this inspect. I want to also create inspect for the Python. This is not, I just didn't create it for now. But now let's just go to the main project that I just make it for this, guys, which is this manage native. So what is this, guys? Manage native. If I just show you very fast, for example, if I just open this, it's gonna tell me where is the connection of this function. For example, if a function use it in another function, it's gonna tell me where it's used. So for example, this load animation frames is gonna tell me that is used in here, space war. and I can see this code of this, the function of this. Let me just yeah. And if I just want to know where this load animation frame is used in here, it's gonna help me to find it. You can see the description, the update function is gonna tell me where is the connection of this, where it's used, just like a simple manager that just showing it first, and you get the idea of this, guys. It's really simple, and it's gonna help me to code very fast, and it's gonna help me to find error very fast, and you know, just as simple. But yeah, you can see, and for example, if I just open others, it's gonna tell me that all of these are connected to the spacebar, and for example, the rigid body is connected to the spacebar, and the stage 1, which is some of them is connected to this. For example, there are a stage node connected to a stage solution screen, and I can see the code. I can you know, edit it, and yeah. And this is just for the start, guys, and I'm just working on it. To make it better and to just make it very nice and very clean for coding, for user want to just code instead of using AI. For example, if I just run it right now, oh sorry, it's getting me error. I'm just go to the spacebar. So a spacebar, if I just run it very fast, just to show you, which is not, I didn't finish this project, but if I just show you very fast, it's gonna tell me where the function is using right now. For example, I can see right here the drop text and the main menu is using, and if I just show you very fast, this is a main menu. You can see this is a main menu that right now is using, okay? And for example, if I just start the game, you can see this stage unlock, and this some of this stage complete. And you can see this is a lag because, you know, this is a big project. I'm gonna work on it, don't worry about that. But yeah, you can see it's gonna tell me which function is used in the game, so I can, for example, if I get error, or for example, if I want to fix speed of the attack, speed of the move, and other thing of this, I can find it very fast with this manage native, and I can just, you know, edit it very fast instead of using AI to just find the error or find the, for example, the code that I want. You can see this is a helpful of this. It's gonna help you very fast to just, for example, make your game very fast with the Python. And this is just only for Python, guys. I didn't make it for JavaScript, and you know, because I'm working on it alone, so I wish I can work it for Rust. I love Rust and the JavaScript, but for now it's just for the Python, guys. So yeah, I just want to just show you very fast, you know, this application that I just created, and I'm gonna sell it for $4 to just make some money from this. And if I just didn't make any money from this, guys, I'm just gonna make the game of this space war and just gonna sell it so I can make a little money from this. But yeah, you get the idea of this, guys. Yeah, so this is my editor that I think it's better for me for using a VS Code. It's gonna help me to make a game very fast. And by the way, I didn't create an inspect, and in the future I'm gonna make it because I want to make a more better code editor for the game, or for example for using for Python. But yeah, I hope you guys love this video, guys, and wish me luck, guys. Hope I can sell it. For $4. Maybe I'm gonna probably use YouTube ad for this so I can sell it very fast. But yeah, this is the full of this, and I just didn't share all of this application how I made it. But yeah, hope you guys loved this video, and I will see you in the next video, guys, and bye.